Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So yesterday I saw a message on my phone by Binance giving me a push notification saying that dog with hat is going to be listed on Binance, and finally the coin is actually trading on Binance. Now you see, popular coins. I want to tell you something. The coins get listed on Binance when they actually jump to the upside. Yesterday was the listing, and the prices were pretty much here. And I can tell you that I had WIF on my watch list. I never traded WIF to be honest, but I did have WIF on my watch list. And the thing that I want to tell you is that this popular coin, they actually appear on MaxC, right? A lot of gem coins that you actually see out there that come later on Binance, they were being traded at a different platform on MaxC. And in a while, I'm going to tell you another coin that is actually down like this. So it's almost same as buying WIF down here, and it's on MaxC as well. Even Pepe was at MaxC at one point, okay? Floki was at MaxC at one point. There are some very different coins that came on Binance later on, and they're actually down at at MaxC. Pepe too is actually in MaxC as well. It's not even in Binance. So the thing is, if you want that coin that is actually down right over here, stick till the end of the video, and I'm going to tell you how to get it for absolutely free of cost. Now, that's something we're going to talk about later on, but let's actually talk about what's happening to WIF. All right, I don't know what this coin is really all about, but what I'm going to say is the following. We do have a nice good continuation pattern. You may say that we're looking for a nice good break of a flag here, and you could potentially be looking at another technical target for WIF, which goes from there to there, and there is a probability that WIF actually comes to $2.7. So we may see a very small push down like this to 1.72 and bounce off 1.72 and finally make it all the way up there. So we're looking for a little bit of a push to the upside for 55%. That's pretty much it for the WIF update. Keep in mind, we don't want to see WIF coming down to 1.415. If it does come down here, that means that it destroys this flag and the probability of actually moving to the upside. Before I tell you the next coin, which is really down, I mean, it's actually pretty much doing something like this at the moment before it actually breaks up. I want to tell you why am I going to tell you the coin number one. Okay, so we have to do some educational backup for this one. So there's something known as crypto accumulation. Accumulation phase is a term used in the financial markets, including the cryptocurrency market, to describe a period when investors start to buy or accumulate a particular asset when prices are low. In simple words, when the prices are down, big investors start to buy. Simple math here, right? So it looks something like this when things are moving sideways. Chainlink did this. A lot of things did that. I'm going to show you various other different examples, or we can actually expect something like this. So what I'm expecting in the future is that that coin is somewhere down here in accumulation, right? It's actually down there. What I'm expecting is any time in the next coming few weeks, we see a break and a push, just like every other different coin did, just like Pepe, just like ICP, right? And then a push up, just like Bonk, and just like Dogecoin, which actually moved sideways. This was all accumulation, and then SHIB as well. The next one is this, okay? It's actually sitting right over here at the very perfect entry, and I entered this coin 1 year ago, and it's actually a private coin. I actually have SHIB, and I bought down there, and it pumped. I do have Doge. It was down here. We got it. It pumped. We didn't have Bonk, but it was on my watch list once upon a time. ICP down here, moved up, and not Pepe, of course, but we did have SLP as well, which actually even did push to the upside. So all you have to do to get it for free is simple. It takes 1 minute. Just come down, click on Discord, enter Discord, click on announcement, and message me saying that you're coming from the WIF video. Hey Adam, tell me the name of the coin. And that's all. So I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.